Shut! Blood clot Rasta boy L.A. Lewis pussy. You need to watch your blood clot mouth when you're deep on your life, you know, boy. We say to pussy clot, you can get a fire to deep on your life, you know, boy. But let me tell you something, pussy. When you talk about dissing, boy, if you can't come on social media with no lyrics, and if you can't come this Jamaican P with no lyrics, boy, you're not ready. Boy, you're not ready. You say you want me to pay you for what? For who and what? Boy, go suck your mother and suck your boy them where you suck them dick down there and continue suck them dick pussy wall. You must think a blood clot doctor love this blood clot. Hold on there. Hey, look up blood clot dreadlocks boy. Pussy. Eh? You still a going like you want class me, bumba hole. Pussy hole you can't class me. No matter how much time you try. Even when you dip on your blood clot like you still can't class me, pussy. Rasta boy go suck your mother more than one time. Pussy well me nah look no blood clot friend. Call you for one, me nah look no friend. Me no love blood clot man body boy. Want come talk about you want this Jamaican people in your life, pussy well me no want a friend. Nobody boy a friend you a look. You must think a doctor love and blood clot. I'm already this pussy. No me no keep friend with no bumbo clot dick sucking Rasta boy like you. No pussy well what you need to do. I find a blood clot job and stop talk about YouTube and Instagram can put money in your pocket. Pussy well. When are the last time you pay tax in pussy well? When are the last time you buy a new bumbo clot suit pussy well? While you are compound last on social media to pussy clot. Last yourself on social media pussy well and go on like you can't diss me. Pussy well I know you can't diss me. Talk about me if you send you some money. Pussy well a pen pal for your blood clot. Look me no love man boy. Pussy you not wear no drawers and you don't have no pussy underneath your pussy. Now you see how much time the people them a send you message and I tell you say Jamaican P this you. You talk about you want this me, but me have to pay you for this me. Boy go suck your mother and suck your mother more than 100 times. You talk about you watch me shit all the time. Pussy all a thief, you try thief for blood clot lingua them. And my lyrics them when me dip on social media the boy. I style you want style me, I know you can't blood clot style me. Bubble blood clot Rasta boy we a name off the girl them blood clot body. Pussy all I know you can put up a video on social media boy and call me bumbo clot name boy. You don't want the world to see you in a shame. Now pussy all I you do run round Jamaica and yap off your blood clot mouth and a borrow everybody blood clot shit where them have. Pussy wall when you are go get your blood clot one pussy wall. See them now you know you have no blood clot money. If you buy minutes put on your bumbo clot phone a foreign you are beg money from pussy wall boy. Watch blood clot prepare minutes you got on your blood clot phone boy. Boy you want disrespect Jamaican P boy. That's why you can't put up no video on this me no boy. Cause you not have enough prepare minutes to come disrespect Jamaican P boy. I know me you want class pussy wall. I know me you want class dirty Rasta boy. I know me you want blood clot class pussy. Now see my try class me then now. Now see them now him can't class me. Pussy will not know what they say. Pussy will not have no idea. Now see them now him not have no talent. See them now him not have no lyrics. Pussy will L.A. Lewis anytime you ready come jump up and hype up now. You only can hype up on your life in front of blood clot people. But in a real blood clot life pussy well you couldn't see Jamaican P hype up on me. Cause me's a boy me no love man bumble. Come on here come blood clot type up your pussy clot self and I talk about if me want a splash. If me want a splash, me have to respect and pussy well respect who? Boy you know see a little pity for me. I what take you? You cannot talk about respect to big man. Boy you want a slap in your mama bamba one. Boy? L.A. Lewis use a L.A. switch. Boy? Where people shitting at? Your bamba clot yo. Me know how the fuck you can talk about respect, batty boy. You know see all like people them from all over the world that come tell me say Jamaican P. This up the boy the L.A. Lewis you know cause the boy is a punk you know. I know the boy can't answer to you you know. Them you know man. I know the pussy well can't answer to me kind man no lyrics. No lyrics. Pussy clot. Me no build video about no man. We claim to say them a star. We claim to say them full of lyrics. Pussy one. Anytime you're ready, wrap up your blood clot dreadlocks and run come. Bumba hole. Let's see what we can find for this little bitch. The amount of lyrics when I have L.A. Lewis, me can use one. And if one no work, can use the other one and done your bumba hole. Pussy. You hear me I say? You must think me a one normal boy. Hey boy, hallelujah. Beat your blood clot with the shoes. Pussy while your feet have some manners. Oh, you know have no blood clot manners. Rasta boy if you growing pussy clot man like me. Beat you with me shoes, boy. Every blood clot there, boy. But boy, you don't have no respect for your big man like me, boy. And boy, come here. Beat you with me shoes, bitch. Bitch, stop the talking, boy. Stop the crying. Listen to me, boy. And learn something from Jamaican P, boy. Rasta boy, beat your boy with me blood clot shoes. See the now a name brand shoes, pussy. Use the Puma and beat the boy. Now Rasta boy, you need somebody to catch you and cut off the blood clot dreadlocks them when you run around with in a pussy. Yeah. Beat you with me shoes, boy. Boy, beat you with me shoes, boy. Boy, you know she say you a little pitney. Oh, you want to come, run up on me. No, see they know you have to text it for somebody else. You can't come text it for me. What? Beat you with me shoes, body boy. Boy, you know she say you a little pitney. Boy, you know she say me a big man for you. How you want for this a big man like me, L.A. Lewis? Who say what you must think of the little punk them? Where you run around down there, where you can trick and whisper and hug up and kiss up and no pussy wall. Beat you with me blood clot shoes, boy. Boy, you know say you a little pitney. Say oh you want to come and this a big man like me. Pussy wall, you know understand yet. Now how much time me this your pussy wall? How much time me beat your blood clot on social media? Only thing left me for me do, I just get the scissors man and cut off your dreadlocks them. Pussy wall, beat you with me shoes. Hey, pussy wall, beat you with me shoes. Rasta boy, beat you with me shoes. Oh, you want for this a big man like me, yeah. Boy, you pass your blood clot place. Oh, you want to pass your place with a face boy like me. Pussy wall, you know say me no care. Me no care we come out of me blood clot. Cause me know say you can't come to me naive. You a come talk about how me cause too much for me video. Pussy wall, the whole I wanna try it. Can't try it. You two take down your whole channel, man. You two respect Jamaican P. Lord of mercy, them say this boy, say him no follow rules. This boy, break the fucking rules. Beat you with my fucking shoes, Rasta boy. Who you want for this on your channel? You want to hype up yourself on your life today. Boy, use a fucking body, boy. Now, you stop chop blood clot. Use a freak, you know, you Lewis. Use a freak. And if you stop be a blood clot freak, it don't make no sense, boy. You say it? It don't make no fucking sense, youth. Say it? You can never diss Jamaican P. No. Oh, you have to diss me. That's why, you know, you can't put up nothing there. No. Oh, you have to put up nothing there, pussy wall. And say Jamaican P. You can't even sing a song to Ross Clot and put Jamaican P in that bumbo clot. If me hear the P and hear the J, you're dead. Bumbo, you mad? Me say boy, you mad? Dirty blood clot, bubble dread boy, what the girl them not stop pissing on your locks, boy. You mad? Boy, L.A. Lewis, I you me a chat to pussy wall. Me say a time now. 2020 a coming pussy wall. A time now for your answer pussy. Time for your answer bumbo wall. Bo. What? You want me if pay you for this me? Boy, you feel like a bitch. Boy? You must feel like a bitch. Sound like you feel like a bitch. Well, if you want to feel like a bitch, feel like a bitch. That you are, you bumbo wall. Shut! In your blood clot. Rasta boy, stop make the girl them a fuck you with the dildo there. Every night boy, you not tell the blood clot secret boy, but Jamaican P know your secret boy dildo. The girl them no stop check the dildo. And I'm fucking on your body, L.A. Lewis boy. Which one you like? You like the white one? Or you like the pink one? Or you like the black one? Do you like the long one? Do you like the short one? Hey boy, L.A. Lewis, you can never this Jamaican P boy. Hey, yeah. Say Rasta boy, stop make the girl them a fuck you in your body with the dildo them. The girl them know your secret, Rasta boy. Girl them know your secret, Rasta boy. No. How me coulda make a Rasta boy like you when I'm poke and lick out the girl them pussy? The girl them even wash them pussy. And boy, you have your face down there, boy. You can never diss me with your stinking blood clot bread pussy hole. When you dip on your life today, pussy hole, me spill your bread pussy hole. You need some blood clot wriggles. Who you? Batty boy, stop make the girl them a fucking on your body with the dildo. Do you want the white one? Do you want the pink one? Do you want the black one? Do you want the small? Do you want it big? Do you want it long, batty boy? Shut Bamba all pussy, you know ready? Listen, hey Rasta boy, stop make the girl them a fucking on your body with the dildo boy. Now you claim say the girl them a give your pussy boy, stop tell lie. The girl them a put on this strap on and fuck you in your body pussy hole. Jamaican P know your secret boy. Stop put your finger in your mouth boy. Stop suck your finger when the girl them a fuck you body boy. In your body with the blood clot dildo Rasta boy. And a Jamaican P you want for this boy. How you for this me? Me say Rasta boy, stop make the girl them a fucking on your body boy. So with the dildo boy, pussy hole. Jamaican P know your secret boy. Top boy, you can't diss me. When? No see they know say me a wait from when. And I know the boy can't diss me. Too much draws, me buy me gal. And I know the boy can't diss me. See they know no Christmas a come and the boy can't diss me yet. See they know New Year a come and the boy can't diss me yet. Boy, L.A. Lewis, stop make the girl them a fuck you in your body with the dildo boy. Shut, bitch. Me no know who you want come diss. Diss me? No. Your mama fuck you. Boy, me tell you. What me tell you say? Eh? Me say when me blood clot tell you say pussy hole. Me no need you. Eh? You. Personally, me no need you for bust me out. Me bust out myself. And me want build my channel. Yeah? And me want bring the fans them to my shit. You see me? Eh? Because me warm. You see it? You see it? People like it when they go places and they warm and relaxing. You know? See, that's why they come over here, because me warm and me relaxing. And me comfortable pussy. Get it together, boy. And anytime you find some lyrics, then you can come this Jamaican P. You now get no pussy, boy. That's why you dip on social media every blood clot there. Now the girl them go up on Facebook, boy. Now the girl them send you some text, boy. But I know any kind of girl them there. A the she man them, boy them. No, them just up in a wig, L.A. Lewis and them meet you. And you buy it, man, blood clot lunch. Send me know your secret pussy hole. A Facebook, the man them, I find you and I fuck you. Now see they know, you got a friend up a foreign ya. Now see they know, a man that I put prepaid minutes on your phone. The man them not stop love you up on social media, boy. You want come this me and I talk about me now make no money pa me channel. Who give a fuck? Me a dissy all I wanna do. Fuck you, motherfucker. Me in a big old blood clot foreign and make money to pussy clot. I put in a me bumbo clot pocket. Pussy hole. Shut. Me say them man them a find this boy on Facebook. Send this boy prepare minutes every night. Now see them now him can't stay upon him phone too long, you know. Boy only get about 30 minutes on him phone. See them now him can't put up no video and go on like him want to sing a song, man. Cause see them now him not gonna have too much time on him phone for come on this Jamaican P. Ellie Lewis, listen now. You not ready yet, my youth? And plus you're not smoke no good ganja like Jamaican P. No boy, and you not smoke and bake every day like me. Now see then now you try to make one of your body man them try to steal me smoke and bake pussy wall. Now see then now I win there. Now see then now them try to steal all of my style them people, but I know them can't steal them. Me say steal. No see then now him know it otherwise as thief. Oh God. Me say hey boy, Ellie Lewis boy, you hear them slang ya? No, me confused to them slang ya for real, you know. Me say that rhythm a nice the Ross, that rhythm a comfortable. Oh God, me say the rhythm make me feel nice now. Smoke the weed pon the rhythm a Taurus clad. Lay down pon the rhythm of me, turn up pon the rhythm of me. Sit down pon the rhythm Taurus clad, and me still not fall off. See then now me go asleep pon the rhythm and me still not fall off. Boy Ellie Lewis, shot in your ass boy. Don't try to come and disrespect Jamaican P boy. Shut! Fans them bless upon a blood class if you can tune into Jamaican P. Ellie Lewis, you is a bitch boy. Just remember that.